All right, today's assignment on Google Classroom, Reading Expectations and I Pick is the name of today's assignment. So when you look at the assignment for today, it says, read the attached handouts, the reading expectations and I Pick. That's this guy here and this guy here. Then complete the essential questions for independent reading. That's here in the Google Forms, okay? We will review your classmates' responses to these essential questions and discuss why they are important to our understanding of reading. So let's talk for a second about what I mean by essential question. Okay, essential is something that is super duper important to our understanding. Essential is something that's important to our life. Essential is something that's absolutely vital. You have to have it. Okay, food, for example, is essential to living. Water, sleep, those kinds of things are essential to us as human beings. We have to have them. Okay, so when we talk about an essential question, that's a question that is fundamental to our understanding of a topic. All right. I want you to look at some essential questions about reading today, and you're going to be responding to those. So you open up reading expectations, and basically it's one page, okay? It explains what, why, when, where, and how about my independent reading program. We're going to talk about how we're going to do independent reading this year tomorrow on our next assignment. Okay, so you are going to read this slide, all right? That simple. And then you're going to go back to I Pick, and you're going to take a look at this slide. I Pick is an acronym for how you choose what you decide to read on your own for this class, because about half of your reading is going to be independent, things that you choose yourself, okay? So I choose my own book. Teacher doesn't choose it for me. I choose it. P is purpose. Why do I want to read it? Okay. Is it about a topic that interests me? Did I see the movie and now I want to read the book? It was recommended to me by another student. My mom likes it. Whatever reason it is that you've chosen that book. Is this book interesting? Listen, you guys, reading is supposed to be fun. And I know that in school we kill reading. We make it absolutely totally unfun for you, all right? My goal this year is to try to make it fun for you again. Pick something that is interesting to you. If it's not interesting to you, don't pick it, all right? You're not going to read it if it's not interesting. C is, do I comprehend it? When I read through the first few pages, do I basically understand what I am reading? Or is it way, way above my level? If you can't understand half the words on the page, that's for K, do I know most of the words? If you don't understand half the words on the page, it's not the right book for you yet, okay? So choose something that you can understand. Those are all the ground rules for how to pick your own books for this class. It's that simple, okay? So after you've taken a look at those documents, you're going to open up this Google form here. And it says essential questions for independent reading. So you're going to type your first and last name here. Reading preferences. What kinds of things do I like to read and why do I enjoy reading them? Okay. If you like reading fantasy, tell me why. If you like reading manga, tell me why. If you like reading science fiction, tell me why, etc. How does reading change me? Think about that one. How does the act of reading change you as a person? 3, how can reading make me feel different emotions? 4, how do I think about and respond to what I read? What connections do I make to my own life while I'm reading? And how might being able to recognize literary features help me appreciate literature? So what I mean by literary features is all that stuff that we do learn about in school, like themes and symbols and the setting and characterization. How might my enhanced understanding of those particular things help me to become a bigger fan of reading, okay? When you're done answering those questions, you're going to hit submit. And you should be able to see everybody else's responses. And that's what I want to look at tomorrow, is kind of take a look at what other people said. Okay. So it's really not that complex of an assignment today. Okay. If you have any questions, make sure to get a hold of me and I will get back with you. And I hope that you guys all have a lovely rest of your day. Bye.